Hello friends, so in this video we will see about the stretch command. So you can see I have drawn here the rectangle. I will show you how to use stretch command with the help of this rectangle. So for that, let me type here command stretch. See, I just here is stretch command come. Now it is asking you to select the object. So you need to select the object with the help of basically this kind of selection. See this green selection area. So you can just you can't use blue selection. If you use blue selection, then this basically stretch command won't work. So you just need to use this green selection and select the area. And once you select the area, then press enter. Now it is asking you to specify your first base point. So you can just select anywhere the base point. Let me select here. And now you can just stretch at whatever distance you just wanted. And you can also just specify your distance if you just wanted. Let me make it as 500. You can just enter the value and it will stretch accordingly, right? When you are selecting the stretch command st, then you can't just select the partial object, right? You just can't just select this much and enter specify your first bend point, and if you stretch then it won't stretch perfectly, right? So for that you just need to select the complete object, means complete width of the object, then it will stretch properly, right?